Hi everyone, this is Jay from LifeRx Wellness.
And I'm David.
And guess what? We are new approach for massage, with new era of massage. LifeRx Wellness, it's not just a regular type of therapy. We are Physio Massage. What's the Physio Massage? You can see I got so many booklets up here, brochures, and we've been years and years study of physiotherapy, manual therapy, massage therapy, years. I'm talking about 20 years. Now we put all this in one booklet, And what's this book? So what's this book do? People come to us, massage therapists, we teach them to do how to identify the problem in your body, how to do assessment, postural assessment, functional movements.
Assessment. Yeah. It's the assessment.
This is what you're looking for because you want to see the progression between the first session and session number 5. If it's people just come in and massage you, what do you see? You just feel good, but next day you get up and you get stiff again. You want that benefits. You want that, how are you going to say that? The improvements, performance too, performance, and the result, what we're looking for is result. So, LifeRx Wellness, we doing postural assessment, treatment, reassessment, try to make sure, and homework. Can you tell about Zaratka class we're doing every week?
Yeah, I mean, there's a class that's on YouTube, and Zaratka class is it's a band, the small bands and the large bands, and it's a full body workout with breathing to get fully oxygenated, and you're doing the entire body in an hour. So it's
activate your joints and make sure it's everything work, because if you go up there and something gonna happen, you're gonna blame, oh, my back is hurt. No, it's not your back. It's because you don't pay attention to your body, and something was not functional in your body, and that's what caused this pain. But with Zaratka, when you do this regularly, it's gonna help your body to understand where's that disbalance, where's that problem, and correct it with the bands. So, if you're in Los Angeles area, we are local businesses. We're not those big corporations who try to adjust and put those massage therapists together and just try to make the money. Our main idea is build this healthy community, less pain, because we see so much people suffer from pain. We go to Beverly Hills all the time. I see those people walk on the street. They barely walking. We don't want you to do that. We want you to walk, enjoy that walk, enjoy your life, and book that massage. You got anything to add?
Look, the truth is, I've worked on thousands of people in the last 20 or more years. And I have seen so many cases you will not believe it. And you cannot underestimate the power of really feeling that you're getting better from something you've had chronically for many years.
Yeah. Last case, the guy come in with a pain in the shoulder. He been treated, he do the surgery, but what we find out, the problem was the ankle. We work on that ankle, we show him that's the problem because he slouched forward, that shoulder always pops up because he can't stay up on the foot. We correct that, we help him out. The shoulder pain is gone. So don't chase the pain, because we need this evidence. This not working or this not working. This is only you can test. If you're going to those massage places, spa, they not doing this approach. They not do this step-by-step identification, assessment, postural assessment, and that's going to be a problem for you. So, I'm done talking. You guys need a therapy. You want to live pain-free life, less pain at least, call us, book us, the LifeRx. We in Los Angeles and metro area. Bye-bye.